This is part 2 of a series showing the restoration of an antique Zither banjo made by A.D. Cammeyer in 1902. Restoration of the tuning pegs, and here you see the final. Tuning pegs are corroded and cracked. I believe they're ivoroid. I'm testing a spot of acrylic resin, CA. This will stabilize the deteriorated ivoroid and the rust. There's also a couple of bent pegs. Give the gears a spot of oil. Pounding the pegs about straight. It might seem severe, but that is how they got bent. They landed hard on something in the past. Gripping the post would break the ivoroid. So tapping on the end of the post seems to nudge it back into place. It's safest, and it worked out fine. No new damage. I'm testing the screws, and this one is completely stripped. So this screw is stripped or broken. Look how tiny that screw is. So clean the hole and use shards of toothpick to fill the gaps. It's just a spot of glue on those. So this screw is now secure. Now we'll work on the split and the headstock. Same kind of resin. You can see it absorb into the gap, wicking into the recess. I can press it further into the recess with a razor blade and clean it off a bit. And then spray it with accelerator. So multiple layers of CA are required to fill those huge gaps, the chipped out spaces, and you build the pegs up until they're right back to the button shape. More accelerator, more glue, over and over. Missed a spot. Then when you get them up to the required size, you shave off the excess with a razor blade. A single edge razor is a great scraper. So lots and lots of scraping later, and they're back to the button shape again. And I mean lots and lots of scraping. Now I'm just removing the old strings. And here's the final result. They look like marble with the rust and ivory, but they're going to hold, I believe. They're going to function. And the original material is preserved. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.